Hello and welcome to the Galvantic Soul. And today is a rainy day after more than a week of a dry spell, and I am so thrilled because we are on a picnic and I'm right now at a small dhaba where we just stopped for some delicious vada pav. Okay, I've already taken a bite into it and we are waiting for the rest of the gang. So we are close to 25 people who are on our way to a beautiful lake, and without the rains we are not going to get waterfalls, so I'm really excited and I'm looking forward. So well, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my vada pav. I will catch you guys in a bit.
Leave it because then somebody else will take the credit of carrying the water.
And we finally made it here. We got a little lost. We took the road straight down actually towards the lake, and we drove along the lake, and that's when we stopped and asked some villagers, and they said you have to take the left turn from the village. So we had to come through a village, narrow pathway and little bad road, but look at that, completely worth it. There are already quite a few people around here, though not too many, which is great. Well, the only thing disappointing here is typically when people come, you have some amount of trash. So please guys, when you come to such places, don't throw your trash. Just look at that. It's so disheartening.
Kane is getting the veg.
We don't know if the veg is...
So there is just one stall here, and you have parking available for quite a few cars. Thankfully, it's not very crowded. There are some people who have also parked on that bridge, which is on the way here. And there's a stall here, you'll get vada pav, burji, egg stuff. The rest of the gang is already on their way, heading towards the water. And now, so am I. I'm so excited. I guess I still, haven't had my fill of the monsoons and waterfalls, and I'm so thrilled that I could enjoy the waterfall again today. I mean, it's early September and the rains are weaning off now. Check out the views here. I mean, the mountains and passing clouds through the mountains is just amazing. So, time to now hit the water and then soak myself in the river. Let's go. Sitting on the edge because the force is really strong. The currents are really strong. The moment we try to go a little bit there, it's kind of pushing us away. So better to be safe than sorry. water suddenly increased and quickly we all decided to move out because safety first. I mean, either they opened up the dam further up ahead or then it was probably raining, further ahead. That's what made the water flow increase. So we decided to step out from the main area and now we're just chilling in the shallow area. Most of the others are hungry, so they are going to eat something. But I'm going to enjoy my time here with a few of the others. See, there are barely any people. Most have gone to have lunch. Or the others moved downstream where the water is not as ferocious. Careful! Come here, give me your hand.
If I stand, I can.
Otherwise you get drift.
Because whole part of my body gets into water.
She forgot about our sandwiches. So finally we've come out of the water. I'm the last one, as usual. But it was so much of fun. Now everybody started calling us because it's lunchtime. So we've carried lunch from home and snacks. So there's the gang there, sitting under the tree. I think we are going to go and have lunch. See how beautiful it is. Somebody's playing music there. I mean, they're disturbing the natural sound of the place, the waterfall. And I personally love music, but not in such places. Please keep the sanity of the place. Don't do like that. The gang is just chilling under the tree, enjoying some snacks and soft drinks. I got myself some tang, which I made at home, and I brought ice from home as well. No trash. I got a steel glass. Oh, so refreshing. It's extremely hot, very humid, but yeah, it's nice. And when I enjoy my some nice soft drink with ice, nothing beats it. Well, lunch is going to be served. We've parceled some biryani, so that was the most convenient to do. So yeah, we're going to enjoy some nice chicken biryani. And it has started raining.
Look here, man. Awaj. Looking at it. Hello. Oh. Ah! But this is still, not video. Nice video. Now we'll be on YouTube, huh? Facebook videos छोड़ो, अभी YouTube में होएगा तुम. है कि नहीं वाले?
हाँ.
Hey, Selvi.
Glory, glory. And it started raining again. We just finished lunch and now it's time for round 2 again in the water. But first we're going to walk along the wall there. Some of them are already gone. I am going to join my brother and my sister, and then I'll come back in the water. Whoops. So yeah, time to do some river crossing. Wow, the flow of the water has increased because it's been raining. Right now it's drizzling a bit. Yeah. Nobody wants to leave from here, so we decided to stay on here only. And some of them are in the water. But I'm going to go and walk on that wall. So that is where we were sitting. I just crossed the river and it was super tricky because of the moss. Somehow we had to hold hands and cross. And this is a view from the other side. Now I'm heading up to that viewpoint. So I'm sure I'll get a good view of the lake from up there. Let's see. It's raining. Look, you can see the wall of the dam. That is the wall. And here is again the water flow has increased because of the rain. There's a small way to go up. And that's the Bund Dam. See the trash here. Yeah, see the trash.
Go down if you want.
Yeah, I'll go that side. And look at these views. It is so stunning. Absolutely pristine. I can see somebody kayaking over there. Yeah, either they are on rafts or they are kayaking. That is a lady there and that is a raft. It's not a canoe. So these are local people using the rafts to get from one side of the lake to the other. The way I'm sweating, you can imagine how hot and humid it is. And look at that. There, that's my brother and my sister-in-law. That's the rest of the family and the friends. So I'm getting back into the water, but I'm going to keep my camera aside now because I just want to enjoy the last of whatever little while I'm here. I don't know how long, maybe another hour. Look at this noisy bunch. So I'm just going to enjoy myself now.
How is he going to calculate? Good, but
It's past 5 o'clock in the evening and our entire group has left and I was the last one out of the water. I honestly didn't want to leave, but soon it will get dark and we have to drive through the forest, and most of the others wanted to have some chai. So now I'm heading back upstairs. I think there is a thatched shed there where you can change your clothes. That's what one of my friends told me. So I came with a spare set of clothes. I am going to go and change, but it's been absolutely amazing. I mean, I have not been inside a waterfall the whole day almost in a very long time. So today was one of those days where I've spent practically the entire day in the waterfall, other than the little time that I came out for lunch and when I took a walk along that dam. But rest of the time I've been in the water, and yeah, it's been absolutely amazing. Look at that. Ah, what a lovely day. But yeah, the sun has been coming on and off, so my skin is feeling like it is burnt, and I'm sure it is. You know, even the cloudiness can tend to burn your skin. I am off to now change and enjoy some garma garam chai and maybe some sandwiches that my sister parceled and brought. Truly amazing place. But sad part is people throw a lot of trash around here. So, and everybody thinks that trash is somebody else's problem, but it's each one of us's problem. We all need to make sure we don't litter. We came with paper plates and all, and we carried a big trash bag, and everything has been put in that, and we are going to carry it back. So no trash to be left behind. We managed to find a little shed over here where we could change our clothes. So all the ladies got in and changed their clothes. So now I'm feeling much better now that I'm in dry clothes. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's almost 5:45 in the evening, and it's time for me to leave the beautiful waterfall and Vandri Lake. I will see you all in my next video. This is Merlin, the gallivanting soul, signing off for now. Bye-bye.